to introduce myself. I am Jonalyn Bagapuro Sumili and I'm going to make spicy lemon butter fish roll. So, bago tayo magsimula, kailangan tayo magbuhos ng ating mga kamay. Kailangan natin ng hand towel para matuyo ang ating kamay.
A few minutes later.
So I have my ingredients here in my front. First, I have carrot, lemon, bell pepper, celery and the turnip, garlic and onion, butter, oil, and the last one is fish. Okay, so bago magluluto, ay kailangan natin i-dressing and filleting ating fish. My ingredients here for my spicy lemon butter fish roll. First, I have carrot. The second one is lemon, bell pepper, parsley and turnip, salt and black pepper, garlic and white onion, butter, oil, and the last one is fish. So this time, gagawa na tayo ng spicy lemon butter fish roll. The important is the foil. Ang fish ay kailangan natin i-cut ng julienne cut, yung hindi masyadong manipis. So this time, ilalagay na natin ang ating spicy lemon butter fish roll dito sa ating steamer. We will wait for 25 to 30 minutes ang ating steamed fish. So, for the sauce naman, I have the ingredients here. First, Ayan. And the next is lemon, black pepper, white onion, butter, and the last one is cornstarch. While we're waiting sa ating steamed fish, ay gagawa na ako ng sauce. For making sauce naman, kailangan natin ng butter, the half of the butter. Hintayin na natin ang mag-melt na ating butter. And the next is cream. At saka cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of lemon. Ayan. White onion. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper.
A few minutes later.
So, ito na ang ating steamed fish.